Hi, I'm Rebecca Kramer, and I'm going to show you how to upload student work samples into your teacher portfolio using the State of Tennessee's Educopia platform. The first thing you need to do on your computer is go to www.tnstudentgrowth.com and click on the Login button at the top right corner. When you do this, it will prompt you for your email address and your password, a password that you created when you first registered at the beginning of the school year. When I do that, it automatically logs me in because I have already logged in previously. So it just pulls up my information automatically. If you forget your password, there is a forget password link at the bottom of the screen. So we have 2 ELA or reading standards, and we have 2 math that we have to upload work samples for. I'm just going to focus on one of the reading standards, this literature and narrative standard. And it says the status is in progress because I have actually already started working on this previously. So I'm going to click on this one. This is the one we're going to work on today. And when you open it up, it shows you 2 different points that you will be submitting work samples for. Your point A is collected at the beginning of the school year, and that's going to be the one that we do first. So we're going to start on this one. The point B is not till the end of the school year, so we're not ready for that one yet. I'm going to click on it. And you're going to see a screen that looks like this. On the left column, there's a section, What I Need to Know. This is just resource materials for you to help you. There's a classroom context and narrative form in this section also. This has to be downloaded and filled out prior to uploading and being able to score your work samples. So there's a blue cloud over here when I click on it. That's for you to download the form onto your computer. I've already done this and filled out the form, and it's ready for me to upload, so I don't need to do that now. But if you haven't done that yet, this would be the time for you to go ahead and download that form. Now I'm going to come back over here to the section What I Need to Submit. This is where you will find the sections for you to upload your work samples. You have 3 student sections, an emerging, a proficient, and an advanced student. Of course, those students are students that you pick yourself. And I've already started uploading work for my proficient student, so the upload arrow is black, and it's ready for me to rate it because it's lit up here under the rate column. I'm going to go ahead and go up to my emerging student. I'm going to upload a work sample for her. So I'm going to click the blue upload arrow, and I have to download that context form that's saved on my computer and then also the work sample. But I'm going to start with the context form. I'm going to click to browse on my computer. It is on my machine. For the larger files, you may need to click the Google Drive, but for these smaller files, just click My Machine. And the context form is here. I'm just going to click Open, and it will upload the form directly. I'm going to click that blue Upload button, and there it is. Now I'm going to go down to the work sample. I'm going to click to browse here, click on that, click on My Machine because it is on the computer. And here's the folder it's in. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. There's my work sample. I'm just going to click on it and hit Open. And there is my work sample. It's just a picture that I scanned in using my phone into my computer, and I just went ahead and saved it as a PDF file. I'm going to click Upload. And you can see that there it is. It's right here under Work Sample. I'm going to click that Save button. Now, once I complete that, it automatically brings me back to my first screen. You can see that that upload arrow is black, and it's ready for me to rate it because there is a blue check mark. I'm going to go ahead and click on that blue check mark because the next step is to go ahead and rate my work. And this is where that context form shows up. I'm going to click on the Next button. It's going to actually show me what my work sample looks like. Now there's evidence here that I'm going to tag just to point out some important key points that I want the scorers to see. I'm going to click Tag Evidence up here on the right corner. I'm going to go over here to the right and I'm going to choose the standard that I'm looking at. Of course, you have already chosen your standard. I have chosen standard option 2, and that's something that you will have discussed or looked at previously. I'm going to click on the standard I want to tag. And on the left side of the screen, you're going to see these 3 icons here. You've got the highlighter if you want to highlight, the box if you want to select a whole box to show, or this little blue toggle here. I'm going to click on this one. That's just going to